With more size, height, and style, plus a commanding presence, the AT35 demands respect wherever it goes. The elevated Arctic Trucks Bilstein Suspension with a 35 degrees approach angle, 34 degrees breakover, and ramp angle of 22 degrees increases mobility over even the most rutted tracks, demanding off-road trails and boulders. The 35 degrees all-terrain tires are specifically engineered for extreme off-road use, and the dramatically widened wheel arches give the Isuzu D-Max Arctic Trucks AT35 a securely planted and powerful look. Robust extended profile side steps featuring the AT35 logo and a heavy-duty rubber tread ensure more accessible and safer access whilst providing substantial curb appeal and stance. Inside the sophisticated cockpit, the Isuzu D-Max Arctic Trucks AT35 is crafted for comfort and convenience. The Arctic Trucks door entry guards, branded mats, and sculpted leather upholstery with headrests create an interior that is not only very desirable, but extremely comfortable, even over the most arduous terrain. All the tech you need is right at your fingertips, with a 9 multifunction color touchscreen featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a premium 8-speaker sound system, wireless phone charger, and Bluetooth connectivity all featured as standard. You can rest assured that the high levels of comfort in this purposeful vehicle mean that you never have to compromise, whatever the conditions. It retains full commercial vehicle status, delivering over a ton of payload and 3.5-ton towing capacity, while offering further improved off-road prowess. Powered by a 1.9-liter turbo diesel engine, the AT35 produces 360 Nm of torque, offering excellent drivability and control in both on-road and off-road conditions. A new rough terrain mode has been introduced as standard, intelligently enhancing grip and traction across low-friction surfaces such as snow, mud, and wet grass. Combined with Isuzu's reliable shift-on-the-fly 4WD system and rear differential lock, the AT35 is equipped to handle the most treacherous routes with ease. Isuzu has announced that the rough and tough D-Max Arctic Trucks AT35 has gone on sale priced from £57,005.